now I'm going to teach you how to make a green smoothie and how to make it smoother and creamier. So what you want to do is add some water, about 3 cups. Now you want to use really pure water, the best that you can find. So I'm going to add about 3 cups of water, and I like to use dandelion greens. Always use raw organic greens. Dandelion's my favorite, cilantro and kale, because they're packed full of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, and normally they're too healthy. You're normally not eating these that much, and that's the beauty of green smoothies and veggie smoothies, is you can make them tasty and delicious and smooth and creamy, and they're really quick, and so you can enjoy them every day. You should enjoy a green smoothie every day. It'll keep you balanced and the most optimal. So now that I have the kale, the cilantro, and the dandelion, I'm gonna add banana, and I'll also usually add apples and oranges, so you could add your favorite fruits. And then how to make them creamy is you could add raw organic coconut oil. Now, raw organic coconut oil is super creamy, super smooth already, and it'll actually eat the bad cholesterol and give you the good cholesterol. So I'm adding some coconut oil. This will make it very creamy. And then if you want to make it even creamier with more benefits, you could also add an avocado. Now we all know that avocados are super creamy already, but they're really good for your skin. It has tons more vitamins and minerals, and it makes it super creamy. So you can add some avocado along with your coconut oil, and then just blend. And it's good to vary the recipe and change the ingredients every now and then so your body doesn't get used to it. And then you can add your favorite fruits, apples, pears, your favorite sweetener. I'm just making the basic recipe and showing you how to make your smoothies creamier. And then just blend. Now you have the world's most creamy green smoothie and veggie smoothie. Tons of health benefits packed with vitamins and minerals. So now you're the star in the kitchen.